Let's go get the trailer. Oops. Let's get it. You ever watching this? So I'm hoping to get through this pile and that pile. That'll be an easy one right there. And then I got another larger pile up the path and a small one on the left. I like to use a handsaw. Some of these pieces tend to get stuck. This one right here, I won't be able to put this through the mulcher because what happens when you put it up in the top chute is you can either, the best case would be trying to pull these together and push it through like that, but then it'll kind of just expand and kind of stay there unless you get another stick to push from down here. So what I tend to do is just take this handsaw, and it's actually a lot easier than you would think, and just cut that piece off. And then this is probably fine because the chute is maybe, I don't know, 2 feet wide. I've never measured it, but probably 2 feet wide. And you just put that one right in there. Sometimes it's good to prep what you're about to mulch, meaning there's no point in having that thing running if I know there's going to be a whole bunch that I have to cut up like this. So sometimes it's nice just to cut up all your mulch before you put it in. However, I think today I'm just going to get running, and I don't know, maybe some of the tough pieces I'll just sort out, and then once I run out of gas, I'll just cut those up and then put a little more gas in and go. But some of the pieces, especially when the wood's wet, like if it's a newly broken piece, which this stuff is, it's gonna be a little bit more flexible, bendable, and less likely to snap, which is kind of worse. We also have got some deer over that way, and we'll see if they get kind of scared or not. Maybe they don't care about the mulcher, we'll see. I like to line this up with the trailer, and I usually have to take off the hitch piece. This beam gets a little too close to the trailer when I'm trying to aim the mulch into the trailer. So I take this little screw out here and then just put this bar aside. This piece right here, which is adjustable, tends to vibrate downward, and then mulch ends up getting kind of thrown everywhere. So you do kind of have to watch that this is good, and like these feel pretty tight to me already. There's a screw basically on each side of this. Something to watch out for. To start, I make sure my bag is oriented properly. Once you get maybe a few logs of mulch in here, it ends up being enough to kind of mold it, and then you don't have to worry about that part. So it's really just the first few that they have to worry about. Worry's not even a good word for that, because there's no worries here by any stretch of the imagination. Maybe that'll be good. Just run the strap on the back of the trailer. And I'm just gonna secure this strap down here until I get some mulch in it, then I can move that. And I like to use the rake to kind of move around the mulch once it starts filling up, and then it makes it easy so that I don't have to keep moving the mulcher location. So let's get started. Make sure we got our safety goggles and hearing protection. Right at the end there. And the good thing about running out of gas is that if I don't end up using this for several months, there's not old stale gas sitting in there that I have to worry about. So it's nice to just put what you need and run to the bottom if you can. If that's a problem for the engine, or if you think that's a problem, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'm gonna end the video here.